We are on J Street in downtown Schenectady, where we are checking out the Whistling Kettle, and something smells good, so let's go inside and check it out. Right now, I am joined by Kevin Borowski, the co-owner of Whistling Kettle on J Street. So tell me, what are we making today?
Today we're making our version of the Dubai hot chocolate trend, and we're gonna make a concentrate with boiling water. I'm making roughly 8 ounces of hot liquid. We'll take the 8 ounces of that tea, 1 ounce of milk, and 1 ounce of simple syrup. So we'll let that froth up, and then we'll get our final product going. And this is just some syrup. So we'll put a little ice in here. We'll pour that over ice. And then comes the fun part, some whipped cream.
Oh, wow, that looks really good.
And the good thing about this recipe is that you can make it any way you want. You don't have to make it as sweet. You can adjust the sugar amounts. And this is a little white chocolate syrup. And there you go.
That looks amazing.
Dubai hot chocolate or Dubai chocolate iced tea.
All right, so we are in the dining area now. I have my tea in my afternoon tea tower, and I cannot wait to try this. So good. I love the taste of the chocolate in it too. It's really good. And the pistachio. Tell me a little bit about what you guys made for us.
First, we have the ratatouille and goat cheese sandwich. We have a Cobb salad. We have a lemon berry mascarpone cake. Here we have a broccoli and 3 cheese quiche, a roasted red pepper and smoked Gouda soup, and fruits of the forest berry scone.
Usually anyone that comes here for the first time get the tower.
Yeah.
And there's literally hundreds of combinations of the top, middle, and the bottom that you can mix and match.
Okay.
Come with guests or friends, you know, it's a good way to try things too. Yeah.
All right, let's dig in.
Great.
Delicious.
Nice. Laura Jemet there getting the tough assignment.
I know. You know, it's a hard job, but somebody's got to do it.